Today, Lean and Zeina are coming home from school. After eating dinner, Lean and Zeina decide to do their homework for the next day. But when Zeina is having problems with her math homework and asks for help from Mommy, Mommy brushes her off and tells her she's helping Lean instead. Zeina feels really sad Mommy brushed her off, but decides to try and complete the homework by herself. I can do this, Zeina thinks to herself. But when Zeina spots Mommy helping Lean with her homework, Zeina thinks to herself, why doesn't Mommy give that kind of attention to me? What makes Lean more important than me? Zeina comes up with an idea. I know, she says. I'll ask Dad for help. But when she finds her dad, he says, sorry, Zeina, I'm already helping Lean. When Zeina gets ready for bed that night, she can't help thinking, my parents care more about Lean than me. After finishing brushing her teeth and putting on her pajamas, Zeina goes to swing out on the playground. Mommy and Daddy see her sad and go to see what's going on. What's wrong, Zeina? Daddy asks. Well, I feel like you love Lean more than you love me. You help her with everything, but you never help me. Oh, sweetie, Mommy says. We never want you to feel that way, but Lean is younger and needs more help. I understand, Zeina says. We're so sorry we made you feel that way, Mommy says. It's okay, Zeina says, but could you read us both a bedtime story tonight? Of course, Mommy says, I would love to.
As we grow up, things will change, and it may feel scary at first. But remember, we get to try new things and make new friends, and that's pretty cool too.